History is often seen through the lens of grandeur and legacy. Monuments, achievements, and ancient cities captivate our minds, fueling debates over who discovered or founded these awe-inspiring civilizations. Yet, beneath the stone and glory lies an overlooked truth, a narrative woven with forgotten identities and deeper connections to our past. In this pursuit of historical recognition, many people today become absorbed in debates over who founded or discovered the greatest civilizations. Yet, they miss a crucial aspect. No great civilization was ever built without labor, often sourced from slaves brought from other lands. This labor force was not always part of the dominant nation, but rather composed of people whose identities have become lost in the pages of time. It begs the question, who truly deserves credit for these grand achievements? When empires fell, so too did their inhabitants' sense of identity. Deportation was a tactic used to prevent uprisings by relocating the original people to foreign lands, ensuring that their cultural ties and memories faded. This practice dates back to the conquests of the Assyrians, who forced many conquered nations into exile, leading to a loss of identity, language, and heritage. Losing one's mother tongue is synonymous with losing one's history, a consequence that has echoed through time. However, not all migrations were forced. Some tribes voluntarily moved, either due to invasion or in pursuit of peace, retaining their language and, with it, their history. These groups were able to trace their roots through linguistic connections and preserve traditions. A striking example lies in Egypt, home to mysteries still discussed today. Take, for instance, the renowned ancient burial ground, Saqqara. Its name, associated with Pharaoh Djoser, has puzzled many historians and linguists. Yet within the Bantu languages, specifically in Zulu, the word Saqqara holds a clear meaning. Derived from Siyakala or Sakala, where the letter Q represents KH and R is interchangeable with L or Y, it translates to lament or to cry. How fitting, then, that Saqqara, a royal burial site, signifies mourning, a place where laments would naturally resonate upon the departure of kings or queens. And what of the Pharaoh Djoser? His name, too, may find its roots in the Bantu languages. Djoser could stem from the expression Zawadza, a term embodying the great sun, Zua for sun, Elides for great. This name echoes in the title of the southern Bantu tribe, the Ndwandwe, preserving fragments of their collective past. Understanding history is more than claiming legacies and grand monuments. It is recognizing the intricate web of stories, migrations, and shared human experiences that shape who we are today. The seemingly humble tribes, who now live in remote areas and appear disconnected from the glories of the past, may indeed be the guardians of our most profound truths, holders of wisdom once revered in the grandest of civilizations. They remind us that true heritage is not in monumental legacies, but in the simplicity of living with an unbroken connection to one's roots.